How to fix Facebook profile has some issues. First of all, tap on the Facebook app for some time and tap on the app info icon over here. Now scroll down to storage section and here simply tap on clear cache and tap on clear data and tap on delete to confirm your decision. After that, simply head back and tap on force stop. After that, close the application. Now go to the Play Store. Head over to the search bar and type in Facebook. Now see if any update is available over here. If there is any update, there will be an update icon instead of open and make sure to tap on that. If it shows open, that means your app is already up to date. Now simply open it. Now simply tap on the hamburger menu over here and tap on the professional dashboard here. Now if you have violated any rules, here will be an profile has some issues icon. So simply tap on the profile has some issues banner that will be available just over here. And Facebook usually provides a specific instruction or the exact rule that you violated, such as a community guideline strike or a missing bio. Now simply what you need to do is verify your account status. Check if you have an active ban or content restriction. So again, tap on the menu or a hamburger menu. Now simply tap on your settings and privacy and tap on settings. Now after that, scroll down a bit and under audience and visibility you'll find page setup. If you're using a Facebook page, you'll find page setup, but if you're using your account, there will be an account status option, so tap on that. Now tap on page status. Here you can review any violation that restrict your reach or monetization eligibility. Still, if you face any problem, then you can always report to the Facebook community by simply going on help and support and tap on report a problem. Or you can just simply shake your mobile a bit and this problem will appear. And after that, tap on OK and simply report the problem that you are facing. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video.